Welcome back to Gear Grinders, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of vehicles and adventure. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting new 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Camper Truck. This innovative vehicle is set to redefine road trips, offering the perfect blend of luxury, functionality, and rugged capability. Let's explore what makes the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Camper Truck the ultimate companion for your next adventure. Design and exterior. The 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Camper Truck features a bold and rugged design, built to handle the toughest terrains while still offering a luxurious experience. It combines the toughness of a Chevrolet Silverado truck with the comfort and space of a high-end motorhome. With sleek, aerodynamic lines, a modern front grille, and heavy-duty wheels, this vehicle is both stylish and functional, making it perfect for long journeys or off-road excursions. Interior features and comfort. Step inside, and you'll be greeted with a spacious, well-appointed interior. The 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Camper Truck is equipped with a full kitchenette, a cozy sleeping area, and a well-designed bathroom. The living space features high-quality materials, smart storage solutions, and modern technology like smart climate control, a large flat-screen TV, and advanced audio systems, ensuring comfort no matter where the road takes you. Performance and capability. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Camper Truck is powered by a robust V8 engine, offering impressive towing capacity and off-road capability. Whether you're towing a trailer or venturing into the wild, this truck can handle it all with ease. With advanced four-wheel drive systems and heavy-duty suspension, the camper truck is built to take on any terrain, making it an ideal vehicle for adventurers who demand performance and reliability. Technology and safety. The 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Camper Truck also comes loaded with the latest in technology and safety features. It includes a user-friendly touchscreen infotainment system, wireless connectivity, and a comprehensive suite of safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system for better maneuverability in tight spaces. Conclusion. The 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Camper Truck is truly a game-changer for those who love adventure but refuse to compromise on comfort. With its rugged design, luxurious interior, and powerful performance, it's the ultimate way to explore the open road in style. Thanks for watching Gear Grinders. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates on the latest vehicles.